We will begin this exercise with the 3-2-1 method. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And while exhaling, mentally repeat and visualize the number 3 times. To help you relax physically at level 3, I'm going to direct your attention to different parts of your body. Relax your scalp. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes and the tissues surrounding your eyes. Relax your face. A soft smile always helps to relax your face. Relax your tongue and jaw. Relax your throat. Relax your shoulders, arms, and hands. Relax your chest, externally and internally. Relax your abdominal area, externally and internally. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. You're now at a deeper, healthier level of mind, deeper than before. This is your physical relaxation level 3. Whenever you mentally repeat and visualize the number 3, your body will relax as completely as you are now, and more so every time you practice. To enter mental relaxation level 2, take a deep breath, and while exhaling, mentally repeat and visualize the number 2 3 times. Level 2 is for mental relaxation, where noises will not distract you. Instead, noises will help you to relax mentally more and more. To improve mental relaxation at level 2, visualize tranquil and passive scenes in a holographic, 3-dimensional manner, engaging all of your senses. Do that now. Take another deep breath, and while exhaling, mentally repeat and visualize number 1 3 times. You are now at level 1, a deeper, healthier level of mind, where you can function from your center. To help you enter a deeper, healthier level of mind, I'm going to count from 10 to 1. On each descending number, you will feel yourself going deeper, and you will enter a deeper, healthier level of mind. 10, 9, feel going deeper. 8, 7, 6, deeper and deeper. 5, 4, 3, deeper and deeper. 2, 1. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of mind, deeper than before. It is a wonderful feeling to be deeply relaxed, a very healthy state of being. This is an ideal time to create a target image of your goal. Bring to mind any goal that you would love to manifest. Think of your intention for desiring that goal. Make it clear and honorable as it relates to others. There is so much abundance in our world that life can truly be a win-win-win place to live. As we create your target image, allow your thoughts to be harmonious, your emotions to be congruent, and both these vital ingredients to be in agreement with what you desire to manifest. To begin creating your target image, answer the following questions. What is it that you desire to manifest? When do you imagine, feel, or sense it will manifest? Where will you be when it does manifest? Who will be there when your outcome manifests? If there are others in the picture, then make sure you bring them to mind. Imagine how it will make your life different and better. Why is manifesting this outcome so important to you? And lastly, what is your true intention? As you craft this image, improve, change, or modify any element that you sense needs to be changed. Take your time. What are you experiencing? feeling and hearing. When the target image of your goal is exactly as you desire it to be, project intense desire, belief, and expectancy onto the image by thinking of those subjective energies and how they pertain to the goal. Now, step into the image and become one with it. You are now one with the image. Experience it fully and completely, engaging all of your mental senses along with coherent emotions, thoughts, and beliefs. Push outward from the area of your heart intense gratitude, appreciation, and love for having achieved this outcome. Imagine moving forward into the future, experiencing your goal already achieved and in a past tense sense, from the perspective of whole and complete. Enjoy the benefits that come with already reaching that goal. Allow your body, brain, and mind to memorize this experience. Now, using your 3 fingers technique, say to yourself mentally, whenever I have a need or desire to feel this way, think this way, believe or behave this way, all I need to do is put my 3 fingers together and it will be so. Now, step out of the goal image and position it slightly above your mental screen, about 45 degrees above your horizontal level of sight. Now imagine a normal day in your future. Imagine thinking of your goal. Imagine your target image. Now put your 3 fingers together and bring back the thoughts, congruent emotions, and feelings of already having achieved that goal. In other words, zap your target image with all that is positive. Now imagine another moment when you think of your goal and do the same. Imagine your day flowing, and once again the goal comes to mind, and you find yourself zapping it once again. In fact, every time you think of your goal, your target image comes to mind, is above your mental screen, and you zap it with all that is positive. You may do this with eyes open and defocused vision, and you may do this with your eyes closed. You may do this with any goal you desire. Every time you function at these levels of the mind, you will receive beneficial effects physically and mentally. You may use these levels of the mind to help yourself, to help your loved ones, and to help any human being who needs help, physically and mentally. You will always use these levels of the mind in a constructive, creative manner for all that is good, honest, pure, clean, and positive. And this is so. You will continue to take part in constructive and creative activities to make this a better world to live in, so that when you move on, you shall have left behind a better world for those who follow. You will consider the whole of humanity, depending on their ages, as fathers or mothers, brothers or sisters, sons or daughters. You are a superior human being. You have greater understanding, compassion, and patience with others. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5 and cause a sound with my fingers. At that moment, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before. 1, 2, coming out slowly now. 3. At the count of 5, you will open your eyes, be wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before, feeling the way you feel when you have slept the right amount of revitalizing, refreshing, relaxing, healthy, wonderful sleep. 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling fine and in perfect health, feeling better than before.